What's up, Facebook? Hope you're doing well. Just got home from the ballet and came home to about 10 boxes of phenomenal phone calls. I'm so excited. Man, I'm so pumped about this. I couldn't, it honestly doesn't even seem real yet. So if you're watching this video, hit the share button, smash the like button. I got to get the word out about this thing. This is going to change so many lives. 44 pages of everything I know about cold calling. You know, when I decided to be an entrepreneur, when I decided to take the leap of faith and go start my own business, I remember my senior year of high school, the guidance counselor, and in particular, my chemistry teacher, because I was going to be a chemical engineer. I told him, I said, I'm going to start a business. I'm going to start a lawn care company. And I remember the teacher and even my friends, they made fun of me. They said, what do you mean? You going to mow grass for a living? And I was like, no, I'm going to build businesses. And I really even think back then, deep down in my heart, I knew I was going to change the world. And so it's here. I wrote this book. I wrote this book probably a year and a half ago, and it's taken a lot of time and a lot of effort. Let me tell you, writing a book is not fucking easy by any stretch of the imagination, even one that's only 44 pages. But Tori and I were just talking. The books are in there. They're see all those boxes stacked up. I'm so excited. I only have 1,000 copies, and I'll be putting a funnel together here pretty soon. Thanks, Josh. Appreciate it. Brian, thank you. I'll be putting a funnel together. It's going to be absolutely free. I'm going to give 1,000 copies away for free. All you'll have to do is pick up the shipping cost, which will be $7. We're hustling these out of the house, man. We'll be packing them up right here in a high rise in Louisville. Man, I can't believe this is real. I'm so excited. And I just wanted to hop on here and share it with you guys. Caleb Moss, thanks so much for all the likes and thumbs up, buddy. If you're catching this video on the replay or on the live, please hit the share button. Listen, here was the problem. Yeah, look, Brian hits it from scrappy to happy, bro. Listen, some of you guys remember Scrappy's Power Wash. That is what's up. Brian, that just made me so fucking pumped, man. But I'm so excited. I'm now a published author. I self-published. I worked with a couple of publishers. They're like, we don't like it. I'm like, listen, I get it. It's only 44 pages, but I'm dyslexic. I don't like reading. My reading comprehension skill is terrible. And I really think that if you're going to write a book that's 400, 500, 600 pages, that's an ego thing on the offer. I really only care about getting the distilled content to you guys. And that's what I did here. I literally, it's written like I speak. It's easy to digest. I'm so excited, man. Brian says, I'm in, bro. Mark me down for one. You got it, Brian. I'm so excited, guys. It'll probably take us another week or so. It'll probably be after the first of the year before we launch this thing. But I just wanted to get on my personal page because, I've got a Coach Carroll page, and there's 14,000 people on that page. And so, if you haven't liked that, go check it out. Coach Carroll, there's tons of video motivation over there. But the people that have followed me from day one, my friends right here on Facebook, you guys have seen this journey. You guys have seen this. I remember mowing a little office complex that Duper Craig owned in Carrollton, Kentucky. And I'm out there mowing in the Chamber of Commerce. The event was that night. And I remember the belt broke on my mower. And I was like, shit, I'm going to miss the networking event. I'm not going to make it to the networking event. And I'm all dirty. The event's starting to I just can remember coming from that. And I know that there are so many entrepreneurs out there that are starting businesses from nothing. Listen, I read some statistics today from the Labor Bureau. Less than 10% of small businesses ever cross the $500,000 threshold, and less than 10% of businesses make it past 10 years. I'm excited to say that we're past that threshold. We're way past 10 years, so I'm definitely in the minority. But the stuff that I've put inside of this book, it's what I had to do. I literally, I have to keep switching arms because I'm so excited. I'm shaking. I'm so pumped about this book because when I started my business, I had $300. I literally took a Walmart weed eater and a Walmart push mower. That was my first business. Straight hustling out the back of the pickup truck. I didn't have a trailer or anything, and now, you know, I'm here in beautiful downtown Louisville. Tori and I just got back from the Nutcracker, and we come home, and all of these boxes are right there. You guys see them? Woo! It's a little crazy in there. We've been wrapping presents for Christmas and stuff, but I have 1,000 copies of this. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on these. It literally is phenomenal phone calls. The gritty guide to closing big money deals over the phone. The 3 biggest deals I've ever done in my life came from cold calling. I still use cold calling today. Fuck, I was cold calling earlier today. It's one of those things that is a lost art. And so I took everything I know, I distilled in here. We talk about time management. I'll try to open this thing up and talk to you a little bit about what's in here. Command and impact of your message. There's a full-blown script in here that you can use. I talk about the 3 fears that most people face when they're going through it. How to deal with a gatekeeper. You guys ever have problems with gatekeepers when you're trying to call? Plus, got some pretty dope photos of me right here. Look, there's the Louisville skyline. In the Louisville skyline. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to get all of the marketing stuff behind it, but I had to hop on live here. Listen, I want you to get a copy of this. It's going to be free. You just pick up the shipping and packaging cost of it. I'm an author, baby. It happened. I just can't help but think about all the people that are like, so you're just going to mow grass for a living? No, bitches, I'm changing the world. Coach Carroll, baby. I can't wait. I can't wait for you to get your hands on this. It's going to improve your skills. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money, which means you're going to be able to provide for your family better. You're going to be able to give back to your community. You'll be able to change lives. I just know my heart's in the right place, and doing the right thing is always doing the right thing. So you guys have a fantastic rest of your evening. I can't wait for you to get your hands on this phenomenal phone calls book. Stay tuned right here to my channel over on the Coach Carroll page, my YouTube. I'll be pumping it out like crazy right after the first of the year. So Merry Christmas to everybody. Have a Happy New Year's. Thanks so much for your support. I really do mean that. Those people that have been behind me since day one, telling me I can do this, coming to my seminars, coming to my lectures, coming to my events, coming to events that I was speaking at. You guys are the reason that I do this, and so I love you guys. Thank you so much for it. Have a great night. See ya.